Thanks for choosing this video. This is part 5 of rebuilding the dashboard in a 1993 Thompson 26-foot boat. I think it's best broken down into small pieces. I'm still waiting for the cutter for the switches. These are some of the power feeds to the switches coming from the circuit breakers. I used a good solid crimp and heat shrink fittings. They seem to seal really nice on the wire and grip it pretty tight. I can't pull them off, so I think they're doing a good job. If you follow along in the previous episode, you'll see that the one I'm hooking up right there is a 12-volt power outlet, and the next one down below that is the double USB socket. Let's speed this up a little bit. Let's get a move on here. This is going to take forever. I've tried to match up the wire colors to what was original, such as that wire is for the horn, and the original horn wire was white with a colored stripe on it. I don't recall which one. Best I can do is white. USB cable I found is a great measuring device. What I do is I slip it right over top of the tabs on the circuit breaker, and then you can see how long your wire is. And notice it's nice and tight right there. That's what it looks like when it's shrunk. That's what it looks like pre-shrink. The wipers are on 2 separate switches, so I have one feed for 2 switches, and they feed the power, and they also feed the park for both wipers. I took all the wires out of the gunnels of the boat that I could take out. These are just too difficult to take out. Some of those are for the small outboard on the back. And what I've done is gathered them together and bundled them, and I'll bring them through and feed them neatly through there. They were twisted around before, kind of wrapped around each other. This is looking up to the bottom of the gunnels to remove the tie wraps that I cut to pull the wires out. What I'm doing is taking all the tie wraps that were in there. They're like a single eye, single use. I'm replacing them with a plastic holder, reusable heavy duty tie wrap. It'll hold the bundle up. If I want to add to it in the future, I can simply undo these with my thumb and put another wire in the bundle and do them back up again. We'll see how they work. These are kind of a pain to do, laying on my back. All ready to tie the wires up. Please subscribe. And thanks for watching.